The Marine 1000 is probably our most practical interpretation of our Easy Care system. It is laid out in a simple color-coded system of modules designed for specific problems encountered in a marine environment. The Marine 1000 is designed for coastal cruising when professional medical care can be reached within a 12-hour time period. This kit contains enough supplies to stabilize and treat nearly any injury until more advanced care can be obtained, with enough supplies to treat multiple crew members. The best part about this kit, hands down, is the book, A Comprehensive Guide to Marine Medicine by Dr. Michael Jacobs. This isn't just a stop bleeding and go to the hospital guide, but over 275 pages of excellent advice that was written specifically as a manual for this kit. It's like having a doctor on your boat at all times. The section on sprains, strains, and fractures is 40 pages long. Hazardous marine life, diving illnesses and injuries, even how to make a medical distress call over the VHF radio. It's all here. There's over 100 illustrations and 50 improvised techniques in this book. Now let's take a second and unpack two of the color-coded modules so you can get a little bit of a sample of the hospital quality components in our Easy Care instruction cards. The CPR module here includes the oral airway set, and this has airways in 6 different sizes covering a small infant up to an extra large adult. The CPR is covered by the Laerdal face shield, and all your barrier items are included as well, including nitrile gloves, which I'm not showing, but there's plenty of nitrile gloves in there to cover multiple crew members. And now let's move to my favorite module for a really common problem, wound care. Everything you need to clean and close a large wound is here. From the povidone iodine to sterilize the water for the irrigation of the wound, to the irrigation syringe, and this is a 20 cc syringe, which makes it easy. It's got a 18 gauge removable catheter. We include skin adhesive. This stuff's really hard to find, but it dramatically increases the adhesion of tape, especially in a water environment. And then the wound closure strips. These are 4 inches long. You can use them to put it on one side of the wound, put the wound closure strip on one side, pull the handle, and then lay it on the other side. And there's 10 strips in there, so you can close a large wound. Moreover, there's over 10 pages of comprehensive instructions and illustrations and tricks just on the wound management alone. And these supplies, try to find them in the drugstore. It's not going to happen. So to review, for coastal cruising, up to 12 hours from care, a crew size up to 12, and on top of that, this was Practical Sailor's Editor's Choice. The Marine 1000 is our best-selling marine medical kit. It's an excellent value and perfect for anyone who is not packing their gear on their back and wants to have an amazing first aid system at their fingertips. It meets or exceeds Coast Guard regulations for its intended crew size. And for a complete contents list and refills, go to our website.